I'm exhausted, Mama.
Why are you exhausted?
It fall down. Okay, press. Mommy, I'm exhausted. Okay, press.
It's already pressed. Say
Mom.
hello, Daddy. Where's Daddy?
Daddy's so late.
Why is he late?
Maybe we'll stay here for a while.
Are you exhausted? Tell Daddy that. Tell Daddy that. We'll show this video to him later. Tell him. Tell him.
I'm exhausted.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy. My daddy's not here.
Where is he?
He's at home.
Oh?